Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Look what I bring you today, a citric salad. We got cucumber, lemon juice, red onion, fresh herbs, pineapple, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and some pomegranates. So let's start peeling off our pineapple, removing the crown, and then I'm using a bread knife, which is easier for me for the pineapple, in my opinion. So removing the bottom end, the top end, so that it doesn't squeeze. It's have a comfortable shape for cutting the edges, which is peeling it. Yeah, just as you may see, quite easy. I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit. Just remove just these small eyes there. Yeah, you see, it's just much more comfortable while you are eating it. Just slow, just finish it here. So, and now I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna cut it into half, and I'm gonna remove the core of it, which is very hard, which I don't want it. Yeah, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some cubes with this pineapple. The size is just a little bit up to you. I'm using like kind of 2 centimeter cubes around, but it's just up to you. You can do it a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. It's just how you feel comfortable with. Yeah. So now you see, now let's go to the main bowl where we are mixing all the ingredients before serving it. Now we're gonna start cutting some red onion, just slices of red onion, as you may see. You can use pickled onion, which will bring a very nice flavor as well and a very nice color, so we'll bring both. I'm using just fresh onion, just like that, one onion, and to the bowl. Yep, yeah. And now let's move it up to the cucumber. I peel it off and I remove the seeds of it, and I cut it into small cubes as well, like around centimeters. Yeah, just like that. There you are. And the second half of the cucumber, just like that. You see, I remove the seeds, just like that. And now to the bowl as well. So we got the 3 main ingredients there, the ones we had to cut and peel. So we are just done with it. Now we're gonna squeeze the use of 1 lemon. You can of course use 1 lime as well. It will be also very nice flavor. Yeah, just like that. And now we move to the bowl. Yeah, citric acidity, this for this salad, very refreshing one actually. And so now I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, just some turns, as well as a little bit of salt. Yep, you may see it's just a little bit at the, like how you feel to add the salt. Extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, there you go. And now we're gonna cut our fresh herbs. I got basil and I got mint. Yeah, it's very important to cut the herbs just before you are eating it, otherwise they will become a little bit black or dark, as they should. So it's very nice to cut them just before serving the salad. I'm just cutting it just like that, mixing, serving, and just eating it. It's just very speedy one and a very tasty one. It's very nice for grills, very nice for a light dinner. It's just a sensational citric salad, which is very easy and actually very nice for our body to give some vegetables. So I hope you like it, everyone. If you do, leave your like behind the video. Of course, if you have any comment, leave them down here in the bottom box. And I wish you a nice journey. Take care.